I think lecturing is like storytelling. You have to tell a good story. Otherwise, the students have many more interesting things to think about, like who they're going to go out with or what's going to be for dinner. So you have to capture their attention. And I spend a lot of time creating lectures where I seduce them into giving me their attention for the next 50 minutes by usually creating some kind of question in their mind that they haven't thought about the answer or they don't know the answer, or I might bring up something that contradicts what they might know. And then, like a good storyteller, I suck them in the beginning and then carry them through the middle and then usually come up with a banger of an ending so they'll go away thinking about the material. And that's what I've done all my life. I've never done a distance learning course. And as soon as I walked into the distance learning people, they told me their rule is that students can't sustain more than 5 minutes attention. So that I have to break my lecture up into these 5-minute segments, which at first I thought was impossible to do. But I learned that you can learn how to do this stuff. And I could break it up so that each segment had their own beginning and middle and end to them. And I was able to pull that off fairly well.